Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see some new features which we have added in the software. So just have a look. So from the master setup, I will go to the product. So here you can see I have created two product scheme, that is personal loan and vehicle loan. So for example, I want to delete this scheme. So I will just click to delete. After that, here you can see three filters which we have added: open, closed and deleted. So if I click to deleted, here you can see this loan is deleted. This scheme is deleted. Now I will click here and here you can reopen the scheme. So I will just reopen the scheme and here you can see now in the open list two schemes are open. So if you want to close this scheme, you can close this scheme as well. Here open, closed and deleted. If I go to the closed, here you can see vehicle loan scheme is closed. So this type of we have different flexibility in our software, and with this product scheme you can create the multiple loans. So if you go to the create scheme, we have different types of filters, like a loan and deposit scheme also you can create. uh, Different types of deposits we have in our system, and while creating the product scheme you can see the different um, options here which you can add and create the loan or deposit. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.